In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage page and space permissions in Confluence. First, open Confluence and navigate to the specific page or the space you want to manage. It helps to decide upfront whether your changes should apply to a single page or to an entire space. Page restrictions are great for controlling access to one document, while space permissions handle everything inside a space at once. Before making changes, confirm you have the right level of access. For space-wide changes, you'll typically need to be a space admin. For page restrictions, you need permission to edit the page or be the page owner. If you don't see the controls we're about to use, you likely need to contact a space admin to grant you permission management access. Open the permissions or restrictions settings. On a space, this is usually found in space settings under permissions. On a page, look for the restrictions option, often represented by a lock icon or a restrictions entry. Choose the area that matches your goal. Page level for a single page, space level for broad coverage. Now, review the current users and groups. Take note of who can view and who can edit. Be mindful of inheritance. A page may inherit restrictions from its parent, and a space may inherit from global rules set by your organization. Understanding what's already in place prevents conflicts and accidental lockouts. Next, add, remove, or adjust view and edit permissions. Keep view permissions for those who only need to read, and grant edit permissions only to people who will maintain the content. When possible, use groups rather than individual users so you can manage access consistently at scale. Avoid removing your own access or the primary admin group. Follow least privilege principles. Give just enough access to do the job, and consider leaving a trusted admin or operations group with full access for emergencies. When you're satisfied, save the permission changes. Look for a save or apply button and confirm the update. If there's an optional note or description field, briefly document why the change was made to help future admins understand the context. Finally, test access to make sure the right people can use the content. Use any available view as features, sign in with a test account, or ask a colleague in the target group to confirm they can view or edit as intended. If something isn't right, return to the settings and refine. That's it. You've reviewed, updated, saved, and verified Confluence permissions with confidence.